homework regularly. So let us start with our third chapter, Water, O Water.
The topics are future of water, importance of water, forms of water, sources of water. In this chapter, we are going to learn about water, that water is our precious property, water is the essential of life, water is a life, save water, and water will save us. Now let us start our chapter with a small song on water.
जीवन है जल, चिंकी पिंकी है जल को बचाना, चिल्ला कर है सबको बताना। जल ही जीवन, जीवन है जल, इसके बिना ना कोई हल। जल ही जीवन, जीवन है जल, इसके बिना ना कोई हल। जल ही जीवन, जीवन है जल, इसके बिना ना कोई हल।
I hope you enjoy the song and know why the water is precious in our life. Let us start with our chapter, Water. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Water is life. Water is precious. Tip, tip, tip. Oh, the waterfalls overflowing the river, lakes and ponds. पानी को बचाओ क्योंकि पानी कीमती है। जल ही जीवन है क्योंकि पानी कीमती है। टिप टिप टिप, जब झरना बहता है तब नदी, झील और तालाब से पास हो जाता है। Waves of ocean gallop like horse. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Taking form of ivory on hilltop. Boil it, heat it, turn into a vapor, keeping singing the songs of spring. Water is life. Water is precious. सागर की तरह घोड़े की रफ्तार की तरह होती है। पानी को बचाओ क्योंकि पानी कीमती है। जब एक बर्फ का टुकड़ा पहाड़ की चोटी पर होता है तो वो सूरज की किरण से भी पिघलने लगता है और धुआं बनकर उड़ जाता है। बसंत के मौसम में गाना गाते रहना चाहिए हमें। जल ही जीवन है और जल ही कीमती है। Giving life of crops, plants and tree, running in human body, nourishing animals and bird. Water is life. Water is precious. फसल, पौधे और पेड़ को नया जीवन पानी द्वारा मिलता है। मालूम है आपको, पानी इंसानों के रगों में दौड़ता है। पानी पीने से जानवर और पक्षी को भी राहत मिलती है। जब भी जल ही जीवन है, पानी ही कीमती है। During drought, there is a stress. Life seems to be in pain. During floods, there is a treat and fright. Hey, well tap, a hand pump filled with water. Water is life. Water is precious. जब ज़मीन सूखी हो जाती है, तब क्या होता है? तब वहाँ पर परेशानी हो जाती है। हमारी ज़िंदगी दुख भरी हो जाती है। जब बाढ़ आती है, तब उसके पानी से कुआं, नल और हैंडपंप पानी से भर जाता है। जल ही जीवन है, पानी ही कीमती है। Now we will see the different form of water. They are solid, liquid and gases. Now let us see and talk about nature sources of water. Nature sources of water are those sources that occur naturally and are not made by man. River are the natural water bodies flowing towards sea, lake or another river like Ganga, Godavari, Narmada. Second, streams. Streams are growing water bodies but smaller and less wide than the river. Ponds. Ponds are natural or man-made bodies of standing water, usually smaller than a lake. Lakes are fresh or salt water body larger and deeper than the ponds. Waterfall is formed when a river flows down from a rock from a height. 6. Springs are formed when underground water flows to the surface of the earth through the cracks in the mountain. 7th one, hot water spring. Hot water spring are the types of spring in which hot water is accompanied with steam. Seas and oceans. Seas and oceans are very large body of salty water. Now rain. Rain is consistent water vapor falling on the earth's surface in the form of water droplets. Children, you know all have seen fish in seas like crocodile, dolphin, shark, etc. Aquatic life consists of the plants and animals that live under the water. Now another topic is man-made sources of water are those sources of water that are man-made and do not occur naturally. Well, hand pump, well tube, well, etc. First of all, well. Well are dug to draw up the water or sent in deep under the ground. Second, tube well. Tube well is used to pump to the underground water. It is found in villages. Farmers use it to water their field. Third, hand pump. Hand pump help to pump out the water manually. Fourth, water tank. We get water in our taps through the pipes from the tank on the roof of our houses. Now I hope that you have understand about water. why the water important in our day-to-day life. That is why we should not waste the water. Thank you.